I have the Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED, and I'll be showing you how to insert the SD card. So if you want to expand your memory, you obviously have to use an SD card. And to insert the SD card, just go to the back of your Nintendo Switch and pop open this little stand. It's a kickstand, right, for keeping your Nintendo upright like this. But right beneath that kickstand is a slot for an SD card, and you can even see the way the SD card is supposed to go in. So just take your SD card and slide it in there like that, and you have to hear it click in place. And once it clicks in place, it's gonna stay in, and then now you can close that door and go back to your Nintendo Switch. Now it says a system update is required to use the micro SD card. So just go ahead and tap on system update, and then confirm by tapping on system update. And it says the console will restart once the update is complete. Any suspended software will be closed. So just go ahead and tap OK. And it says update complete. The system will restart. So let's just wait for that, I guess. So the system has restarted, and our SD card should be in there. So let's check on system settings, and then let's go to data management, and you can see our micro SD card is there with 105 gigs of free space. That adds to the 48 gigs of the internal memory that we have as free space. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.